All right, time for a good old Jeep update. So this is Jeep update 28, and today I'm working on the doors on my Bestop soft top. And the reason that I'm working on the doors is because one of the latches on the doors is broken, and it's on the driver's side, and I'd always have to roll down or unzip the window to unlatch it from the outside because the inside latch would not release. All right, so this is a normal functioning release, and you got your buckle on the outside. And of course, when you engage the buckle, unlatches the door. And then from the inside, you've got this hook here, and you pull this hook, you get the idea. So driver's side door, this part works fine, but this hook is missing. And honestly, that is the only reason why I would mess with this, because it is annoying. It's really annoying to have to unzip the window every time I get out of the Jeep to unlatch the door. So to take this off is really pretty simple. There's just 4 bolts that hold it on, and then just engage the action of the buckle here, and it will slide out kind of sideways. So these things are not cheap. I went online and did a search for them, and I finally found them at Morris 4x4, and I bought the new kit, and that's what this is. And of course they're only sold in pairs, and I only really needed one, so I'm going to go ahead and replace both of these today. So in the kit, it looks like you've got your hardware here. You got your door striker plates, which mine are actually good, so I won't use those. And then of course you've got your new handles, and look at that. It's even got the hook on it, so I can get out of the Jeep. All right, I'm gonna go put these in real quick and see how they look, see how they work. All right, so there's the new latches installed, and hey, they work. It's a latch, but it really makes me happy because this piece is now there, and I can get out from the inside without having to unzip the window down. All right, I know that wasn't too exciting of a Jeep update, but it's a big deal for me because now I can get out of the Jeep without having to unzip the windows. And, you know, everything works now, so it's little details like that to me that, you know, kind of make the difference. So coming up, I've got 2 big projects on the way. I've got the suspension, and then, of course, the motor swap that I'm planning to do. I've already started to get some of the parts for the suspension, and I'll go through what these parts are in the next Jeep update, so stay tuned. So if you like this video, you like the content of the channel, hit that subscribe button, and hey, thanks for watching.